In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Help Scout. Tags help you organize conversations, surface trends, and make sure the right follow-up happens. Whether you're tracking product feedback, marking priority issues, or grouping conversations for a campaign, tagging keeps your inbox tidy and searchable. Let's walk through the exact process so you can start tagging with confidence. Begin by opening the conversation you want to tag. This is the message thread where you want to add context or categorize the topic. With the conversation open, look for the tag icon. It's typically near the top of the screen or within the conversation toolbar. Click that icon to open the tagging field. Start typing the name of the tag you have in mind. As you type, Help Scout will automatically suggest existing tags that match what you're entering. This is great for keeping your team consistent and avoiding duplicate tags that mean the same thing. If you see the tag you want in the suggestions, simply select it. That immediately attaches the tag to the conversation. If the tag doesn't already exist, finish typing the full tag name, then choose the option to create the tag. This action adds a new tag to your account and applies it to the current conversation at the same time. Keep the name clear and specific so anyone on your team understands what it means at a glance. Once you've selected an existing tag or created a new one, press Enter to save it. You'll see the tag appear on the conversation, confirming it's been applied. If you need to add more tags, repeat the same process. Help Scout allows multiple tags on a single conversation, which is useful for combining context like topic, priority, or team ownership. Just make sure tags add clarity rather than noise. A few practical tips as you tag. Aim for a simple naming style, like using consistent wording or tense, so your suggestions are predictable as you type. Keep tags short but descriptive. If your team collaborates in the inbox, agree on a small set of core tags and use them consistently. And if you're not sure which tag to choose, start with the most important theme of the conversation so it's easy to filter later. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation, click the tag icon, start typing, select an existing tag, or create a new one, and press Enter to save. Repeat as needed to add multiple tags. With these steps, you'll keep your Help Scout workspace organized and make reporting and follow-up a whole lot easier.